Having trouble with Windows 11 updates, stuck updates, failed installations, or error messages? Let's fix them step by step. First, search for Restore Point in your search bar. Click on Create a Restore Point. In the window that opens, click on System Restore. Select Choose a different restore point, then click Next. Look at the dates listed and select a restore point from before you started experiencing the issue. Click Next, then click Finish. Confirm by clicking Yes. Now, let your system automatically complete the process. This may take a few minutes, so just wait until it's done. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for services in your search bar and open it. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click on it. Set the startup type to automatic. Then click Apply and OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command SFC/Scan. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. In the video description below, you will find the command dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Copy it and paste it in the command prompt, and hit the Enter key. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Final step, restart computer. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.